Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add app in home screen. Let's start. So, there are actually two ways for you to manage your app, guys, in iPhone. First, when you go to your settings, okay? When you go to your settings, go to home screen. You could actually choose here if you want your newly downloaded apps to be available to your home screen right away, or you just want to put it on your app library. So in this case, if you actually choose app library only, your newly downloaded apps will not be shown on your home screen right away. So all you need to do is just choose this one, so it would add to home screen. So I'll show you an example. I recently downloaded an app called Global Storms, so pretty applicable to my country right now. We're experiencing simultaneous typhoon from the Pacific. So if I want to add an app, I could just install this one. So I have this, okay? So instead of open, I'm just gonna show you just saying that the download or installing it is already done. You would be able to see the app already in the home screen. So you can see, guys, there's like Global Storms app. So there, you've already seen it on the home screen. Say if you want to move your app to a different home screen, because for you can just swipe, guys, for iPhone. Pretty much you have like several home screens. You could also do that. So say for example, if I want to move my carousel to to another home screen, so this one, you can do that as well. And if I want to move this one, wait, no, I'm just gonna move it like that. So it's moving, so you just need to like force it, and then it's gonna be added in there. So there. I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.